Butter and Sugar Bakery was created by 2 Piedmont High School students. Everything is homemade by Amy Derr and Henley Lorin. Hi.
Hi.
So tell me, how did Butter and Sugar start?
So we both had a passion for baking, and we would talk about it a lot in class of last year, our sophomore year. And then we started making cakes together for our friends. We had little tea parties. We just came together and had the shared idea, and we joined forces and started it up.
Yeah, so my aunt knew I baked, and so she reached out to me and was like, I'd love to help you get started with this. Like, I can make a website and make business cards, and so we took her up on that offer.
What do you make, and what would you say is unique about your baking?
Currently, we make cakes and cupcakes, and we offer 2 different sizes for both. We have smaller ones, 6-inch and 8-inch cakes, and then we offer mini cupcakes and regular size cupcakes. And everything is custom based, so people can order whatever flavor layers they want, fillings or buttercreams. And currently we only offer 4 flavors: chocolate, vanilla, lemon, and carrot.
So you're both in high school. How do you have time for this?
Being the 2 of us, we get to separate the work and divide it equally between us. And then if one of us has an extracurricular or sports, the other one will take the job. Or one will make the layers, and then the other will make the cake or build it and stack and decorate.
So it's a true team effort. So how's your business going? Are you getting a lot of orders?
It really goes up and down. We started in October, and we definitely had a first-time rush where we got a lot of orders, and then it would slow down. During the holiday season, we offered a holiday special Yule log, which definitely got a lot of attention. And right now, it's a little more on the down slope, but I think during Valentine's Day, maybe Easter, it goes back up again.
So how can people find you?
Our website is butterandsugar.co. We have Instagram, Facebook.
Sounds like you're getting a lot of community support, though.
Yeah.
Definitely.
All right, Amy and Henley, thank you.
Thank you so much.